Have you ever had one of those days where you just crave a sense of calm? When the world feels noisy and you need something to anchor your soul? For centuries, people have turned to the words of Psalm 23 for comfort. "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." Now, you don't need to be religious to appreciate this beautiful poem. It speaks of trust, guidance, and the promise of peace, even when life is at its darkest. Picture this. You're walking through a green meadow, sunlight on your face, a gentle breeze in the air. That's the feeling Psalm 23 is inviting us into, a space of rest for your mind and heart. When it says, "He makes me lie down in green pastures, He leads me beside still waters," it's painting a picture of serenity. It's about letting go, even if just for a moment, and trusting that there's something greater guiding you through the chaos. And when we reach, "Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil," the message is clear. You're not alone, no matter how tough things get. There's hope, and there's someone walking beside you. So if you're searching for a little peace, close your eyes, breathe deeply, and let these ancient words wash over you. Psalm 23 isn't just a poem. It's a gentle reminder that serenity is always within reach. Take that with you today. Thank you for watching. Please take a look at some of my other videos for more of the same.